So sometimes what you may want to do is you may want to have similar graphics across multiple pages in the same format. So if you want that, then you can actually go ahead and then use master pages for it. So let me just go ahead and create out multiple pages. Let's say, for example, I'm going to add in 7 more pages right here. And let's say over here on the left hand side and on the right hand side, I want to go ahead and add in certain graphics. So to do that, I can go to master page and then create a master page right here. So I am going to actually go ahead and use the facing pages itself, or you can go for a single page as well. So let's just go around over here and press OK. So now I'm going to go to the master page right here, and as you click on it, you can see that I get to a separate window right here. This is the pages, so if I were to double click, you can see the multiple pages right here. But if I were to go to the master page, you can see that there's a separate window that opens up. So now what you can do here is you can go ahead and make changes. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in a rounded rectangle right here. And then let's say, for example, change out the color right here, just like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and keep it, let's say, right around over here. I'm going to copy and paste this and then keep this one right here. So let's just keep it on the left and right here, just like this. Apart from that, now what I'm going to do is, let's say, for example, let's just go ahead and then push this out right here, or maybe I'm going to go ahead and keep it down right here, or push this over here onto the left and right here. So now let's say I want to add in a text right here as well. So let's just go ahead and create out a text. So I'm just going to go around and say placeholder right here, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and resize, place this out right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and double click. And then let's say, for example, go around over here. So now I'm simply going to go ahead and then let's say, for example, hold Alt, and then I'm going to go ahead and click and drag this out right here and place it around right here, just like this as well. So you can see that I got 2 placeholders right here in the master page. So now what I can actually do is, let's say, for example, right click and I can apply master. So I can see that there's one master, which is a master. Press apply. And once you do that, what happens is that you can see that the placeholder pops up. The graphics is there and there's the placeholder. Now you can simply go ahead and make changes to whatever you like. So let's say I'm going to say tutor right here, just like this. So this is what you have, and you can even go ahead and select multiple pages. Let's say, for example, I can go around over here and I can right click right here and apply master right here, just like this as well. So I can go ahead and select, let's say, for example, the specified page, or it can be even or only odd page, all pages. Press OK, and then what happens is that you can see that everything is applied right here. So you can see that the same design has been applied across multiple pages. You can actually have more than one master page as well. So if I were to press OK, this is what you have. And now I'm going to go around over here and change, let's say, for example, the color right here, just like this. And let's say this is what I want in the master page. So let's just go around over here. And then I'm going to go around over here, just like this, and then resize this up right here and keep it right here. So now you can see that that is what you have. So I can go ahead and select out, let's say, these 2 pages, and I can right click and then I can apply up master as well, and then select master B, press OK right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that these are the master pages that are applied right here to these pages now. So this is basically how you can go ahead and create out master pages, and you can see that these are the master pages. You can go ahead and apply master to pages and select all pages, press OK as well. And then what happens is that all pages will be applied with that master page right here. You can even go ahead and click and drag out the master page right here, just like this from the top, and they will be applied over here on the bottom, as you can see right here. So you can do that for each of the master page right here, just like this. So this is basically how you can go ahead and then apply out the master pages as you like right here. So you can go around over here just like this, and then work around with the master pages right here as per how you want. You can even go ahead and right click and clear out the masters right here, so those particular pages doesn't have master pages applied to them. So that is basically how you can go ahead and create and apply app master pages inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.